Hello guys, good morning. Lakad muna tayo dito guys. Dito kami ngayon sa Amsterdam. Amsterdam. Thank God nakalabas-labas. Kasama ng aking puging kasama, si Hello.
Hello, hello Yorme and to your vlog.
Isa po yan sa mga artista sa atin. Ito guys, look at this. Dito yan guys sa lugar ng Amsterdam, Netherlands. Thank God it's a little bit cold here. Look at this guys. Really beautiful, huh? Dito yun guys lugar na Amsterdam, Netherlands. Look at this. Wow.
Ano dali?
Look at this guys. You see, as you can see guys, no? Along the road lang yan guys, ha? Nice place over here. Yan. Other side. Ito yan guys, baka may tilapia dito guys. Oh. Look at that. Alright guys, again, dito yan sa Amsterdam, Netherlands. Privilege to show with you. Alright guys, that's all for today. May the Lord bless you. Bye bye.